Hey, welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make spicy pork, grilled chicken, baked quesadillas. Oh, yes, I did. Hope you enjoy. I am cutting up a lot of green peppers and onions for this dish, but I will also be storing them in the freezer. For our meal, it's just the two of us, but there'll probably be leftovers. I have 2 grilled chicken thighs, and I am currently frying up a pound of spicy hot sausage, but I will not use it. I probably won't even use half of it. I'll get it started right now, and I'm going to add my green peppers and onions to this and get it grilled up, everything heated up, and we'll put it in some quesadillas. Okay, I have my sausage. That's what I pulled out. I've added my green peppers and onions, letting them cook up real good. And then I'm going to add my cut up chicken thighs and make this something delectable. Didn't have a whole lot of the shaved cheddar, so I added Deluxe American. It melts really good, and you never know.